Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm sorry that I couldn't upload any videos lately, but today I'm going to change that with this video. Every week I'm going to upload a new video for you guys to enjoy. So be prepared and smash that like. For today's video, I'm going to talk about what you see behind me, which is this logo template. No matter where I go on the page, all you see are logos pre-made by myself. So no matter how many new pages I will create, you will see the logos. Now, how to do such a thing is what we're going to learn. So let's start. I'm going to move myself out of the way and we can start. Good. So, what are these logos used for? If you have a business, or if you're writing a work, or if you're writing a school document, or if you just want to make your document looks a bit unique, that's something that you can use to do so. And for this example, I'm going to use random logos that I found online, which are the this guy with the mask and the guy with the headphones and this little alien and some other guy with a mustache and this logo. And I just found some logos to show you that anything that you want can be imported into this template. So how do I start? First, we need to go to the edit page. So to edit these sections, we need to go to Insert, Header, and I'm going to click on this little arrow and Edit Header. Now, once you clicked on Edit Header, you will see everything that is presented to the editing of your own documents. So, in this part, I inserted 3 logos, as you can see, and at the bottom 3 different logos, and every page is going to show the same logos on the same location. So I'm going to delete the logos and start it all over. After I search online for the right logos, here are the logos that I found. You can see them here. Paste these logos into the header. So let's start with logo number 1. I'm going to drag it inside the header. It's important to make sure that your mouse points into the header and not outside, because if I'm going to release it outside, then it might not work the way that we want it to. So after you released your head or your logo into the header, what you want to do next is to resize the entire thing to fit the size of your header, which is much smaller. Now, how can you tell how much you want it to take away from your documents? If I'm going to click on this layout option and change it into square, what will happen is that the image could break free of the header, and by making a going out of the layer, I can see what is the default header, or what is the default amount of space that should be used for such ideas. So now that I know that this is the amount of place that I have to work with, all I'm going to do is to resize the image to fit my work. As you can see, this is the first picture that I'm going to put. Now for the second picture, I'm going to take this little guy and I'm going to print it here inside the logo section. Now he is huge, so I'm going to change it to be like that, so I can see where should I what size should I make him to fit the logo idea. So I'm going to resize him to a small picture, and then I'm going to fit him into this document. Now after I have him here, everything is good, but I don't like the squarish look of this logo, so I'm going to change it into something nicer. How do you do that? You click on Format, and Format, I am going to crop the image into the shape of this. Let's go for a square, or maybe for a circle. I'm going to crop the image into a circle. Nice. And this circle is going to be at the middle of the page, right here. Now it is a bit larger, so I'm going to make it a bit smaller. And now I have another logo, and for the third logo I'm going to use this little alien, this little cute alien. So I'm going to minimize him. No, first I'm going to allow wrapping, so I can move it to its place without disturbances. I'm going to make it small, and look, this is something new. If you hold the reside and drag your mouse to the other side, the picture will flip, so you can decide which side you want it to be. I'm going to stick with the left angle, and of course to resize the picture according to what I want to, and to add this little guy over here. Now that's how you create your custom logo. Of course, if you want, you can insert something like a text box and write welcome, or maybe add some company logos, or maybe customize the colors of the header, or do many things. If you want to, you can do a lot in this section of the page. Now what else I would like to add is the footer, or the end of the logo in every page. So I already inserted these logos and they are ready, and once you finished editing your logos, you double click on anywhere into the middle of the document, and then it's ready. And every page that I'm going to have in this Word document will be with the logos that I inserted. Now, right now I would like to show you what happens once you click print. So if I print the document, the logos will be shown in full color, but the program tells us that these logos are not part of your document, but part of the title, by making them transparent. And what is the good part about it is that if I write something, for example, let's say that I'm writing, and I'm adding an image, then the top part will not change. I mean, it is sort of a secure idea for us that we can do many things without fearing of ruining our logos or the company logos, and it's a great solution. So this is the idea of how to create such a thing. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you and goodbye.